Okay.
All right. Hi, guys. Hi, everyone. Today we have with us Mohit. So, Mohit, we want to know about your story. So, in this series of video, I am we are looking at students from the tier two colleges who have done very well in life. So, we want to talk about your life at tier two college, at Eiffel College. Then we'll move to your international job and how you're doing in South Africa. कोई गोरी शोरी पटाई की नहीं पटाई गोरी तो नहीं मिलेगी वहां पे काली
No,
पड़ी
sir. There are a lot of, because the place currently where I am. So I will share everything. There's no issue. One by one, I will start. I will share my journey after MBA and what when I was there in CET King. After that, how my life started. So there are a lot of things which I'm going to share today, and I'm
Superb,
really
superb.
very glad today to interact with you, to interact all the students, because down the line when I was there a few years ago, so you used to do a lot of such visits and all to the colleges where where we can like get a live interaction. But now the situation is not that much grateful. We all are aware that COVID is going on, so all such participations are not possible. So it's okay. There's no issue with that. But anyhow, yes, online virtual platform is also good. So here we can interact and we can share each other's experience. What are the expectations and everything? So we can start now. There's no issue.
Superb. So, how was your journey? So, by the way, was our ex-student, I think from Andheri branch, right?
Exactly. Ville
Andheri,
Parle branch. Ville Parle, sir. Ville
Ville
Parle.
Parle, हाँ, Parle से then he moved to Andheri. So then he
Exactly.
joined Eiffel College. So we met at Eiffel also. So how was the so yeah, lot of time people say कि नहीं, don't join a tier two college, only go for IIMs. So how is the life at a tier two college? मतलब आपको कहाँ पे अच्छा लगा, कहाँ पे इक्वलिटी दिखी और कहाँ पे इक्वलिटी नहीं दिखी कि नहीं यार यहाँ पे हमें इम्प्रूवमेंट चाहिए था as compared to the main colleges like IIMs हो गया या JB हो गया या SP Jain हो गया.
Yeah. So first of all, sir, I would like to introduce myself to everyone present over this platform. My name is Mohit Gupta. So I believe that everyone is here, and there were time when I was also attending such kind of webinars and all to decide that where I have to take admissions and all, where I will be down the line after 3 years, 4 years, after 2 years of MBA. Am I going to get a good job or not? So, but yes, when I joined CET King, there were a lot of things which I came to know. And starting my journey in 2016, just after my graduation, I joined CET King. I met Rao sir, and same like you people, I was also having a lot of questions, a lot of expectations from him. And then there was nothing. I just joined it, and in as like you people, I was also having an expectation that okay, either I will go to JBIMS like Rao sir, and down the line I will also look like him. But sometimes it doesn't make sense, or we can say that it is not possible for each and everyone. I'm not saying in terms of education, I'm not saying in terms of qualification. I'm saying everyone's life is different. Maybe there are a lot of people who are facing a lot of issues at their home, at in their personal life. So everyone, it is not possible that okay, I'm joining this institute, and at the end of the day I'm going to crack CET King with 99.9 percentile, and I'm going to join JBIMS, which is I'm not saying that it's impossible, but yes, it's a bit difficult. So nowadays what happened, there are a lot of options. Like you can see, I've been graduated from Eiffel Institute. My life over there, I can say you all that I don't think so even if I was in I was going to that enjoy that much where as much I have enjoyed in Eiffel. So yes, because why I'm saying, why I'm taking name of Eiffel, because it's my personal experience, and I'm not just like what my the thing is that when I was in CET King, I was also as like everyone, I was not very much sharp minded student. Yes, I was there, and in the mind I was having that at the end of the day I have to grab a good college from where I can pursue my MBA, and I have to get a good job. So one day sir took us to Lonavala, and he introduced us with Eiffel College, the management over there. We saw there, and the first time when I saw there, I thought, okay, I'm not going to make a lot of pressure. I'm not going to put a lot of pressure to crack IIMs or anything else. And I have decided that I am going to pursue my MBA from IFIL. The reason was that because in that college, when I saw the the number of students, the batch capacity, which you can say, was not that much high. So we can imagine that if we have any question or anything to clear our doubts or anything, we can interact with the professor directly, and he will, for sure, they are that much good that they used to help us. They help us to guide us in finding our path. They helped us a lot to find the direction, so that we can one day, once the MBA is over, we can be located at a good job, you can say. So that was like what my journey was. And
And
yes sir.
where did you felt that there was नहीं यार वो IIMs में होते तो ये better होता? So you talked about the good side. See, faculty and all is obviously the same thing. Faculty हो
Yes.
गया, infrastructure wise all the colleges are equally good. So where you felt that you were maybe what I can say, number one, maybe the placement, the kind of companies which are coming to the main IIMs or the SPGen or JB. So that's one thing you can say कि they were not. So what you felt was the main difference?
Sir, in that sense, I can say that because I was aware that what is my capability. Okay, so and I was aware about my situation, that how much effort I need to put to get an admission in IIMs or JBs, like colleges like that. And as I earlier said, that it was not impossible, but I was aware that okay, the thing which matters is a good education, and if you are good, the education is also good. So we have to be good enough to understand each and everything. And the level of dedication, if you are dedicated enough towards your career, towards your future, no matter from where you are pursuing your education, yeah, maybe it is a government college or it is a private college, it's totally up to you that what kind of job you are going to grab. Because even I feel also I was the only one who had got an first international placement, and that was also into a core finance. So I was really very much happy about that, and it was just a dedication and a faith which I was having, that okay, down the line, if I will put my whole dedication in that college where I am currently pursuing in a tier 2 college. So anyway, by the support of college, by the support of all the mentors over there, down the line I'm going to get a good job. So that's what exactly happening with me, and I'm really very much happy on that perspective.
सुपर्ब 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 यार जितना मैं आपको जानता था यू आर एनीवे वेरी आउटगोइंग मे बी यू सेड एकेडमिकली यू आर नॉट दैट इंक्लाइंड तो लेकिन पीछे की रो में सबसे आगे तुम ही होते थे इवन व्हेन
Yeah, yeah.
वेंट टू
I can imagine myself, sir. I can imagine you're taking the lecture on the last bench.
आई नो
There were three friends, me, Mangesh, and Santosh. We were there, and we
राइट
used
राइट
to make a lot of fun over there. We used to enjoy a lot. But yes, as I said, sir, that that was also a part. It is very much important to have
एग्जैक्टली
fun
वही
in
मैं
life.
कहना चाहता था वही मैं कहना था इधर यू बी एकेडमिकली स्ट्रांग नहीं तो यू बी द बैच बैक बेंचर में स्ट्रांग लाइक
Yeah, yeah.
हमारा जो लोनावाला का ट्रिप वाज एवरीथिंग वाज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय यू जितना मेरे को याद
Exactly.
है so
Yeah, yeah.
first I think organized by you then next year when we came second time even you were there in the organizing committee so you were quite upfront outgoing in all these kind of activities so guys
Correct.
अगर आप academically strong नहीं हो तो make sure you participate in the events and everything so that your personality overall personality becomes strong because I think more than academic record, once you enter the college, academics are not important. Then how you behave, your personality, I think that's more important. So,
Exactly.
how many people approximately get placed from your campus abroad?
Sir, in my batch, I think all the people, we had a batch of 120, and that was the only year when IFIL had admitted all the 120 students in the batch of 2017 and 19. And fortunately, everyone, each and every, like today also, I'm in touch with each and every, all my colleagues, my classmates, and my friends over there. And everyone is well settled nowadays, sir. And as per my knowledge, we have got 100% of placement from college itself. There were, rather we can say, there were 2-3 people who have got their job from their themselves. That's it. But yes,
Abroad will be
there
two,
was
three people. Abroad will be 2, 3 people got abroad.
2 people in marketing, 1 in finance. So I was the one who got in finance, and there were 2 people, Abhinav and Prakash. I remember they were in marketing.
Marketing. Okay, superb, superb. So यार वही main advantage होगा ना कि बैच साइज छोटा था ना because a batch size small, getting a placement is not a big deal. तो वो एक
Exactly.
एडवांटेज होता है if the college
सर
have a
उसपे
small
कैसा एक
size.
फोकस ज्यादा रहता है, मतलब नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स जब कम रहते हैं तो जो हमारे मेंटर्स रहते हैं वहाँ पे जो प्रोफेसर्स रहते हैं उनको पता रहता है कि कौन सा बंदा किस इंटरव्यू में बैठ सकता है, तो वो गाइड करते हैं हमें कि लाइक सपोज मोहित यू कैन गो एंड सिट अटेंड दैट इंटरव्यू, व्हाई यू आर नॉट ट्राइंग इन दिस कंपनी, तो ऐसा रहता है उसमें. So there are a lot of effort which the people used to put on the students. So that is one of the benefit. Or the best part was that, sir, because we were really like first of all, I'm really very much. I would be happy to share one moment. I was a part of GCL committee. I don't know how many. I think that most of the people must have not aware about that GCL part, Global Citizen League, which is one thing which was which I feel college gives us an opportunity to engage into a live business development part. So we were also one of the part of a GCL committee, and fortunately, I was the winner. I was leading one team. The name of that team was Positrons, and the batch of 2017-19, we have won that the first rank of GCL committee. So in that, we used to get a live exposure of business development. That was something very much crazy, where we can put our own mind, you know, where we can put our own thoughts that how if this was my business, how we can grow that business, what are the challenges we are going to face in that you know, in terms of making successful full business. So there are a lot of things which they used to keep us grooming, you know, they used to groom a lot in terms of entrepreneurship and business development and all. So at the end of the day, you know, even in my during my interview, when I was giving the interview of Sadhguru, this thing I informed them that I used to be handling the live project of Future Group. The product was Poof, as far as I remember, and you know, we were the one who used to promote that product and successfully launch that product in the market. And now Poof is one of the leading product of Future Group. So the people who were taking my interview in Sadhguru was very much surprised that, okay, so that was your personal experience. So I said yes. So, you know, because there are a lot of people after graduation, they don't have a lot of experience. They directly go and join such kind of two-tier colleges and all. So when inside the college we get an opportunity of of getting an exposure of this kind of things, this is something very much good which we can, you know, which puts a weightage on our resume also. So that was my personal experience which I have faced, and at the end of the day, I was well placed with Sadhguru. There were 20 people, sir, who have went for that interview from finance, and fortunately, yes, three people were very much you can say that yeah.
अच्छा, मेरे को अभी आप बताओ कि आई नॉर्मली से कि गेटिंग गोइंग अब्रॉड फ्रॉम फाइनेंस इज ऑलमोस्ट इम्पॉसिबल बिकॉज फाइनेंस के रोल अलग होते हैं, काम अलग होता है. So what kind of a role is available for MBA finance abroad? Do companies take abroad? I'm not just talking about your example. In general, do people go abroad? If yes, what are the kind of roles they are offered in finance?
So basically, sharing my experience, I was hired as an internal auditor, and yes, the answer to your question is, sir, it is very simple. Yes, if you try, if you get an opportunity, you put your whole effort in cracking that interview. For sure, companies always look for Indians because I was there in Africa. I was in Central East Africa. The name of the country was Democratic Republic of Congo. So I have been to Congo, I have been to Rwanda, and I have been to Malawi. So there are three countries which I have visited in the past 2 years, and I have seen the 20% of people, which I can tell you the exact number. 20% of the people are there who are working in an organization, and they are Indians. In Africa, you will find a lot of Indian companies who are hiring Indians. Sadhguru is one of them. Okay, so it is not. I will not say that it is impossible. That okay, choosing a domain like finance, and after that you can't expect a job abroad. No, it's a myth. What I will say, yes, there are a lot of opportunity. It is up to us that how much we are going to search for that job, how much we are putting effort to get a job like that. And the second thing is like sharing my experience. When I got hired, I was hired as an internal auditor. So I got a dual job over there. I was working for, I was for the first 3 months, I had audited the books of Ethiopian Airlines. which is a very famous Star Alliance member and a very famous African airlines, which used to provide their services across the globe. So I was very much lucky working under the Ethiopian Airlines. I was auditing their books for the for 3 months. After that, I came because we have a franchisee of Ethiopian Airlines. Frankly, like Sadhguru Travels is a parent company, and they are having a lot of subsidiaries in which Ethiopian Airlines also one of the franchisee holder which Sadhguru have. So after that, I went to Sadhguru main branch, which is there in Goma, and then in the next 6 months, I got my promotion as a receivables manager, where I used to do the follow up with the clients regarding the debts which we have in the market. So it was also a very well experience for me. I had understand the credit rating policies, and I had understand the international accounting standards and everything. Then down the line, after 6 months, when they have seen that okay, Mohit is performing quite well, they have promoted me to finance manager, and now in my second contract I am going as an assistant branch manager. And as per the surety of the company, maybe in the next 6 months I will become the branch manager of the Goma branch. So that is what my growth story in that on that platform where I am currently working. And okay, yes, I can say that maybe it is out of India, but yes, the experience is very well. The atmosphere, yeah, what we see in India, what we know in India about Africa is totally different, because when we go there, life is totally different. There are a lot of fun. The work-life balance is very amazing over there, and a lot of things are there. We had a very good experience over there. We had a in my group, the Sadhguru companies, there are 8 employees who are there in my branch, and all are Indians. We have our own house, and so day-to-day life experience is very good over there. So we don't feel that we are away from India. It seems like okay, it is a far away home from India. We can say like that.
Right, right, right. And what about all the news we get कि नहीं अफ्रीका बहुत dangerous है, ये है, वो है, you will be mobbed, you will be this, you will be that.
Sir, actually, if you see, what I will answer to this question is that even in India also, when you sit outside, the kind of news which is shown on the TV, it's totally a negative news. Okay, so what I will say that please don't mind all those news which is shown. Whatever the things which we heard about Africa, it is totally a myth. Africa is a very safe country. You will not believe the people who are not aware about UN. When you'll go to Africa, you will you will come to know about the United Nation, about their job role, about what exactly United Nation is. So there are a lot of very good experience which we are going to. Believe me, guys, there are the country where I am currently located. You can search on Google MONUSCO Peacekeeping Mission. So we are having 8,000 Indian military base over there. So I am saying that here in India it is very difficult for us to even handshake with a soldier, but there we used to enjoy party with brigadier level from Indian Army. So one of Brigadier Mr. Vikram Sharma, he's my very good friend nowadays. He is old enough, but yes, we used to enjoy a lot with him. Every weekend I used to go to his place, and we used to enjoy dinner and party and everything. So that's what my personal experience with the Indian Army over there, which I have never imagined that down the line I'm going to sit with Indian Army people and enjoying such kind of life. So it is totally a myth that it is dangerous. Even in that term, if you'll see, India is also much more dangerous than African countries. But negative news and everything is something
क्यों
on which
यार
we
दिल्ली इज द इंडिया इज द वर्ल्ड मोस्ट इंडिया द रेप कैपिटल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड कुछ भी लोग बोल देते हैं. आई वाज इन पता नहीं कौन सी कंट्री इन साउथ ईस्ट एशिया इंडोनेशिया में था. मेरे को
okay.
ड्राइवर क्या कहता कि इन इंडिया एवरी लेडी इज रेप्ड वंस इन लाइफ टाइम. मैं क्या भैया कहाँ से तुम स्टैट्स निकालते हो. इंडिया इतना भी बुरा नहीं है कि भाई तुम कुछ भी तुम
So
लेके
there
जाओ.
are a lot of even there also, sir, we used to meet a lot of people who are having a lot of negative thoughts about India. So we need to convince them. Okay, no, brother, it's not like that. And so there are a lot of things, sir.
True, true, true. Acha, would you mind telling us the average salary an Indian is getting there? You don't need to tell your salary. You can just give us an idea about
No, so what I will
what
say,
you're able to
because
say.
yeah, yeah. So guys, let me inform you about both the domain, the finance, marketing, or operations, whatever the domain. first of all, whatever the compensation you will get in outside India, okay, and if the company is good enough and they are saying that they are going to take care of you in terms of your accommodation, your living, your food, your transport, everything, believe me, whatever the compensation you are going to get, you are going to save it. Okay, so this is the first thing which I will say. Don't mind about that how much payroll you are getting. Suppose in India you are getting 30,000 rupees, believe me, 20,000 you will your expense will be there in every month. And I believe that if you'll be of my kind, you are not going to save even that 10,000 also. Okay, so yes, in Africa, what I feels basic salary was in that year was 35,000. And I don't know what exactly currently Sadhguru is offering to nowadays to the students of IFIL. But yes, believe me, whatever the salary you are going to get, you are going to save it. Whole salary you can credit to your bank, whatever your parents' account or wherever you want. And uh, rest everything will be taken care by the company itself over there. You'll get a good food, you'll get a good lifestyle over there. Weekends are there. They also used to provide the pocket money also. So there's not that much load on us.
So it's like your base salary is less, but you get all the perks and everything.
Exactly.
Everything is
Yeah.
paid for, huh?
Yeah.
Superb,
And
superb.
every there is appraisal system also. So every year they used to give a good amount of appraisal also. So
अब
it's a
आपका
good.
क्या plan है? You want to stay there for long time, or you want to come back to India soon? By the
No,
way, those
actually,
who
it's
joined us late is already in India. तो बैकग्राउंड जो आप देख रहे हो उसके घर का ही है. एंड मुंबई में बहुत बारिश हो रहा था. That's why you can see all the कपड़े behind him.
डोंट माइंड गाइस. नहीं नहीं सर, अभी मैं एक्चुअली अपने घर पे भी नहीं हूँ. मैं एक फ्रेंड के इधर आया हुआ था.
अच्छा अच्छा
तो
अच्छा, ओके.
मैं उससे बोला कि मैं अभी ऊपर आके मेरा एक कॉल शेड्यूल है. पूजा मैम को मैं कॉल किया कि मेरा अभी कुछ काम है इधर पे, मैं बाहर आया हूँ. तो आई जस्ट ऑक्यूपाइड हिज स्पेस ओवर हियर.
ओके
उसने
ओके,
अपना यहाँ
गॉट
पे
इट.
बिजनेस का पूरा सेटअप डाला हुआ है. यू कैन सी ओवर हियर. ही इज अ टी शर्ट प्रिंटिंग मैन्युफैक्चरर.
ओके, नाइस यार.
So everything is set up in his home itself. तो मैं वही इसके पास ही आया था. He was having some queries with
अच्छा, वो
me
टी
regarding
शर्ट
all
उसका
the.
ही है. फिर मेरे को लगा कपड़े सुखा रहा हो ना. ये
So
प्रिंटिंग
he
का टी
was
शर्ट है.
having such queries regarding his business and also I said, okay, no problem. I will come there and I will
सुपर.
inform you. So I'm just, occupying his space right
सुपर
now.
सुपर
Yeah,
सुपर.
yeah.
इनफैक्ट एक क्वेश्चन इसके ऊपर भी आया है कि कैन आई डू सम पार्ट टाइम बिजनेस ऑफ इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट व्हाइल आई एम वर्किंग अब्रॉड?
Look, officially you're not allowed to perform any kind of your personal job because, frankly speaking, even in India also, if you're doing any job, during the job hours, you're not allowed to do any kind of your personal stuff. So, guys, but yes, unofficially, until and unless you're not caught, you can do anything, whatever you want. So there's no such issues. There are no such limitations and everything on that. uh, like you can do your business over the call or anything, but yes, there are what I mean to say. So there's one message from Santosh: how many hours do we do? So it is basic, like what my job hours is. I used to report to office at 8:30 in the morning, and till from 8:30 to 1700 hours is my office timing. So you can calculate on the basis of 9 hours. 9 hours is a basic job working hours. uh, in finance domain, I was not having a lot of work after my office hours. So I was totally free. I was doing my, like, I was spending my evening on video calls. I was going to gym and everything. So you can you can choose your lifestyle also over there. So 8 hours is the minimum working hour, and weekends are like half day. On Saturday, 10 hours to 1400 hours, that is 4 hours working on Saturday. After that, the whole weekend is your, and Sunday you can take booze and everything. So it is totally up to you. And then again, from Monday you can start doing the work.
Superb, superb. Someone asking about your cat or the CT scores, if you mind, if you don't mind.
So in CET, I had scored that time 84 percentile. When I was because I have never appeared for CAT. And guys, frankly speaking, I am not that kind of person who had a imagination of getting a admission in IIMS or JBIMS. What my dedication was that after my graduation, I need to get a MBA degree, so that I can like I was about to do my post graduation and I preferred MBA degree. So my perspective was simple, that whatever the percentile I'm going to get, if I'm getting a good college in the counseling session, I will join that college, and the rest will be up to me. how I am going to search the job and everything, because I was a kind of person who was during my graduation period also was working here in Mumbai, and I can earn 20 to 25,000. So I was that much confident that अगर अभी मेरे पास graduation का degree नहीं है तो मैं 20-25 हजार कमा ले रहा हूँ, तो फिर जब मेरे पास MBA का डिग्री हो जाएगा तो 30-40 हजार तो मैं कहीं से भी निकाल लूंगा। तो मैं कभी ये सब नहीं सोचा कि यार मेरे को IIM ही जाना है या वो भी। और मेरा कुछ अपना फाइनेंशियल भी इशू था जिसकी वजह से मैंने कभी उतना फोकस नहीं किया उस सब पे। मुझे ये चाहिए था कि हाँ एक अच्छा कॉलेज रहना चाहिए जहाँ पे एटलीस्ट वो प्लेसमेंट के लिए असिस्ट करें। And I found I feel that much suitable for me, and that was the main reason. And believe me guys, it was the best part of my life. वो जो 2 साल मतलब 1.5 साल जो मैंने वहाँ बिताया है ना, वो मेरे लाइफ का बेस्ट पार्ट था। आई कैन से यू दैट। और राव सर ने जिस दिन फर्स्ट दिन ही ले गया था वो भी मेरे लाइफ का बेस्ट ही पार्ट था।
I'm smiling for a different reason which people don't know.
No, no,
नहीं
it
यार,
was
वो
very
यार लोकेशन भी अच्छी ना है। लोनावाला में तुम बैठे हो, अगर
exactly,
तो पार्टी आइलैंड, वैसे तुम्हारा पार्टी आइलैंड है। जितना
exactly, exactly.
मर्जी तुम्हारा कॉलेज कोशिश कर ले कि नहीं नहीं वेरा सीरियस कॉलेज दिस एंड दैट, यार माहौल ही आपका ऐसा
नहीं,
है
इवन सर
चारों
आईफील
तरफ।
इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी सीरियस कॉलेज। मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगा, देयर वर लॉट ऑफ लिमिटेशंस इन दैट कॉलेज ऑल्सो, बट आपको तो पता ही है सर, करने वाला जो भी करना चाहता है वो
एग्जैक्टली
करके ही रहता
वही मैं कह रहा हूँ कि तुम ऐसे इन्वायरमेंट बैठे हो, चारों तरफ तुम्हारे पहाड़ है। यू रिमेम्बर देयर द टेंपल इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कॉलेज, सामने पहाड़ के ऊपर एक टेंपल है।
है। एक
मेरा
बीरा
बहुत
टेम्पल, अरे
मन
वो
था एक
रिमेम्बर
बार जाने का ऊपर। डिड यू
सर,
गो
इट इज
ऊपर?
वेरी गुड प्लेस। आपने कभी नहीं गया क्या? वो
हम
इट इज
ऊपर ही
वेरी
गए
गुड
ना,
प्लेस,
दैट डे आल्सो
वेरी
वी
गुड
जस्ट
प्लेस।
वेंट एंड कम बैक।
नो नो, इट इज वेरी गुड। इट इज सर, वहाँ पे ही हमारा मतलब एक सिटिंग जोन था। एवरी इवनिंग आफ्टर द लेक्चर वी यूज्ड टू गो देयर, वी यूज्ड टू बाय वन थम्स अप एंड वन स्मॉल बॉटल, एंड आफ्टर दैट
मैं तो पता नहीं, तुम लोग को मालूम है यार, तो मैंने छोड़ दिया।
No, that's what I'm sharing my experience. So it is a good thing, sir, because we used to spend a lot of good time over there. And
राइट
apart
राइट।
from that, when our exams and everything, so basically the coordination with the professors and everything was very good over there. Whatever the doubts we are having during the exam time, also we are having in-campus faculties over there. So anytime we can go to them and we can ask them that, sir, I'm facing difficulty understanding this kind of problem. Can you please help me out? Can you please guide me? So they're really very much friendly over there, and those all were the thing which helped us to find the path, to find our destination. So that is what was very much suitable.
ट्रू ट्रू। सुपर्ब यार, सुपर्ब। तो यार वही आपने भी वही कहा कि इधर ऑफ कोर्स यार, इफ यू गो टू द टॉप कॉलेज उसके एडवांटेज अलग होते हैं, यू गेट अ प्लेटफॉर्म टू परफॉर्म दिस एंड दैट। बट इफ यू आर नॉट
For
गोइंग टू वेरी गुड कॉलेज, मेक श्योर यू बिकम स्ट्रॉन्ग एज अ पर्सनैलिटी, you improve yourself so that you can get the top job from campus. That I think I would like to say here.
So that is actually the benefit of tier 2 college. That's what I said in the beginning of the call, sir.
Right.
For everyone, it is not possible. If you are having a lot of time, give cracking for all those exams and all, you are having okay 3-4 साल तक यार कुछ भी नहीं है, चल मैं तैयारी ही करते रहता हूँ, आज नहीं तो कल निकाल ही दूंगा, then it's okay, go for it. But if you don't have time, you know that okay 3-4 साल बाद जो मैं अपना ये टाइम गवा के फिर जो कमाने वाला हूँ, बेटर ये है कि मैं अभी से उस पर लग जाऊँ, ताकि 3-4 साल बाद जो मुझे पैकेज मिलने वाला है वो मेरे पास एक एक्सपीरियंस के साथ होगा। तो आई विल सजेस्ट इट्स बेटर टू टेक एन एडमिशन to get a physical experience, to get on a ground experience. That is very much important.
True.
Unless and until you'll be not on ground, you're not going to get
True.
anything. So it is very important. Even in IIMs also, they prefer people who are having pre-experience. So that is one thing.
True. Great, great, great. So thank you, yeah. Thank you very much for coming and talking to us. One last question we
Thank you.
have: which field you are from? The engineering, non-engineering, which background you're from?
No. I did my BCom from Mumbai University of Mumbai, and I said na that I always choose the easiest way. And during that easiest way, I found that okay, putting effort on study, it's better to put effort somewhere else where I can get a good job and everything. So I never put effort on studies and all. My thing was very simple, that it's better to choose the easy thing and find the tough difficult task, so that you can take out your time for preparing for that task whichever you are going to perform later on in your career or in your life. So that was my
Right. Any last advice you like to give to all the students for the international placement point of view, that what extra they should do in the college so that they can get an international placement?
Sir, what I will say that apart from an MBA degree, nowadays, we should prepare ourselves to get 3, 4 good certification courses also, because nowadays, the more certifications you have, the more weightage will be there on your resume. That will be beneficial for you in terms of domestic as well as an international placement. Okay. When you are searching for an international placement, what the interviewer is going to look after you, that what kind of physical experience, how much mature you are in terms of thinking about the business development. So if you are quite good enough about that, for damn sure you are going to grab that job. I don't know, sir. Even you are aware about not when I joined. I feel after 1 year, I have started one startup over there, Eat and Treat, and it is still there. Because sometime at late night we used to face a lot of problem in terms of getting good food and everything. So I put a small startup over there where I used to sell that small puffs and everything, the hot puffs and samosas and everything, and that was also totally on the basis of honesty store. There was no individual standing over the counter and collecting the money. It is up to you, go and take the stuff, put the money in the counter, or you can make the payment through virtual sources, and you can do. And it was really very much success. Now the juniors are performing it very well. So that
Good,
was,
yeah, very
those,
good, very nice.
yeah, those are the thing which I which is my personal thing which I have done over there, and those are the thing. That's what I'm saying. In an international placement, the interviewer will look that how much creative you are, how much strength you are having to handle a business, because you will be staying outside. Okay, your owner maybe will be sitting in a different time zone and you are in other time zone. So everyone, you're not going to call your boss and ask that, boss, this had happened, what kind of decision should I take? So you should be a good decision maker. If you are that much good decision maker, for sure, getting a job in international platform is not that much difficult. And nowadays, even colleges are bringing a lot of international placement. I think after my placement, 3 people were more selected from the batch of 18-20. And this year also, I think 4, 5 had been selected. So a lot of conferences had been done with them also. And they are also happy enjoying their job over there.
So great. Thank you, yeah. Thank you, Mohit. Thank you very much for taking time out, and
Thank
all
you
the
so much,
best.
sir. It was very good
Yeah, we'll stay in
interacting
touch.
with you
Yes.
today after a long time. And
Same
thank you
here.
so much, sir. Have a good evening
Bye
ahead.
bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye bye. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you. Thank you.